What's up, math learners? So, welcome to our mathematics channel, MATH-JASTIN's Mathematics Lessons and Techniques. So, this is our part 3 video, no, for our lesson about the conic section. So, I'm not mistaken, this will be the part 2 or 3 of the lesson. Part 3 if the introduction is counted. So, in last video, I discussed all about the circles. Its equation if the center is in the origin and the center is in the point HK or is not on the origin. So, as kung ibabalikan natin, ito yung sa circles na it's a description and it solve problems. So I posted already the activity regarding to circle in my FB page or in IG, no, sa FB MATH-JASTIN sa IG, no. So our lesson for this video or for today is all about the parabola. This will be our lesson 2 in our conic section chapter. So this is our lesson objective that we are going to determine the parabola with the center at the origin V at 0, 0 and parabola which vertex at the point HK, or this is supposed to be V. This is supposed to be V. So wait a minute. Yeah, this is supposed to be V, right? So now, let us begin. Yan. So now, what is a parabola? So in mathematics, the parabola is a plane curve which mirrors symmetrical and it's approximately U-shaped. It fits several superficially different mathematical descriptions, which can all be proved to define exactly the same curves. One description of a parabola involves a point and a line. As you can see, dito sa graph na to, 'di ba sabi sa description, ito ay naka-U-shape. Tama? So, ayan, makikita nyo U, naka-letter U siya. Then determine nyo rin, then dito ang hahanapin nyo yung vertex, the focus, directrix, and axis of parabola. Or depende, maring equation, di ba? So, proceed tayo. We have the 4 cases of the parabola so that it make you aware when you are going to solve the problem regarding this. So, number 1, so we have parabola. Tama? So, makikita nyo rito, ito yung graph niya, di ba? Yung open right. So, nasa kanan siya. We have the 2 cases. If the vertex is in the origin or V00, so we have the equation of the parabola, the equation will be y squared is equal to 4ax. Okay? So next, coordinates of focus. Coordinates of focus. We have A and 0. Okay? Malalaman natin kung paano natin masosolve si A. So, equation of the directrix. We have x is equal to negative A. Okay? So, length of the latus rectum. So, we have LR is equal. LR stands for latus rectum. LR is equal to 4A and equation of the latus rectum is x is equal to A. So, what if the parabola opens right, the right parabola's vertex is in the point HK. So, the equation of the parabola, we have x minus k squared or the squared of y minus k is equal to 4a overall multiplied by x minus h. Ito yun. So, coordinates of the focus, we have x plus A and K. The axis of symmetry, we have Y is equal to K. So, meron tayong additional and also applicable sa ating vertex dito. So, equation of the directrix, we have X is equal to H minus A. Length of the latus rectum, we have 4. 4A. It's supposed to be A. 4A also. Parehas lang. So, teka na. We have 4A. Yeah. It's supposed to be meron din siyang 4A. So, next, we have the endpoints of the latus rectum. We have H plus A and K plus 2A and H plus A and K minus 2A. So, equation of the latus rectum, we have the X is equal to H plus A. So, this is your case. Case 1, whether the vertex is in the origin or not. So, proceed tayo sa case 2. Parabola opens left. Okay? Parabola opens left. So, naano ko lang para umurong to. So, ngayon, makikita niyo, ito yung graph nyo. Yung left parabola. So, equation of the parabola, we have y squared is equal to negative 4ax. So, since its focus is in the second, the x-axis, the negative x-axis, So, we have coordinates of focus. We have negative a and 0. And equation of the directrix, we have the x is equal to a. Length of the latus rectum is LR is equal to 4a. Equation of the latus rectum, so we have x is equal to negative a. So what if the vertex is in the point HK or not on the origin? So we have the square of y minus k is equal to negative 4a times x minus h. Coordinates of the vertices, we have the focus, we have h minus a and k. This is the vertices. Axis of symmetry, we have y is equal to k. Equation of the directrix, we have x is equal to h plus a. Length of the latus rectum, we have LR is equal to 4a. Endpoints of the latus rectum, so we have h minus a and k plus 2a and h minus a and k minus 2a. Equation of latus rectum, we have the x is equal to h minus a. Next, case number 3, we have the parabola opens upward. As you can see, ito yung magiging graph nyo. Naka-upward siya. So, since yung focus niya ay nasaan? Nasa positive sigurado. And nasa positive siya ng y-axis. So, equation equation of the parabola. We have x squared is equal to 4ay. Then the coordinates of focus, we have f of 0 and positive a. Equation of the directrix, we have y is equal to negative a. The length of the latus rectum is LR is equal to 4a. Equation of the latus rectum, we have y is equal to a. Next, what if the vertex is in the point HK or not on the origin? So, equation of the parabola, we have x minus h squared is equal to 4a times y minus k. Coordinates of the focus, it has the coordinate of h and k plus a. Axis of symmetry, it is x is equal to h. Equation of the directrix, we have y is equal to h minus a. Length of the latus rectum, we have LR is equal to 4a. So, parehas lang naman yung situation nila, pero still, sinama ko pa rin para organize pa rin. So, next, endpoints of latus rectum. We have h minus 2a and k plus a and h plus 2a and k plus a. Equation of the latus rectum, we have y is equal to k plus a. The last case, or the case number 4, parabola opens downward. So as you can see sa graph, ito yung magiging graph nyo. Baliktad na u. Now, equation of the parabola if the vertex is in the origin. Equation of the parabola, we have x squared is equal to negative 4ay. Coordinates of focus, we have 0 and 8. Equation of the directrix, we have y is equal to 8. Length of the latus rectum, we have LR is equal to 4a. Equation of the latus rectum, we have y is equal to negative a. So what if the vertex is in the point HE or not on the origin? Equation of the parabola, we have the square of x minus h is equal to negative 4a times y minus k. Coordinates of the focus, we have h and k minus a. Axis of symmetry, we have h is equal to x is equal to h. Equation of the directrix, we have y is equal to k minus a. Length of the latus rectum, we have LR is equal to 4a. Endpoints of the latus rectum, we have h minus 2a and k minus a. And, nawala. We have h plus 2a and k minus a. Equation of the latus rectum, we have y is equal to k plus a. So these are the 4 cases of the parabola or by solving the parabola. Case 1. Excuse me. So what if sketch and discuss the y squared is equal to 4x. So, the parabola opens right. Siyempre. So, since sa ating rule, di ba sa right, ito ang equation niya. Positive. And y ang nandito and x ang nandito sa kabila. So, ano siya? Yan. So, since opens right, so given we have y squared is equal to 4x. To solve for a, ito na. We have 4ax is equal to 4x. Ito yun. So, divide both sides of equation into 4x. So, you got the a is equal to 1. So, since the vertex is in the origin, base sa equation na ito. So, we have, and the focus is 1, 0. So we have the latus rectum by finding its latus rectum. So we have, ito yung equation niya. So since the a is 1, replace. So 4 times 1 is 4. So equation of latus rectum, x is equal to a. So the equation is x is equal to 1. So this will be your graph Sabi nga natin, sketch and discuss. So, na-sketch na yung graph natin. So, what if ito naman ay hindi siya in the origin? Find the equation of the parabola with vertex at -2, 0 and focus at -1, 0. So, given, opens right. Opens right na naman. Pero walang sabing graph, kaya wala kang makikitang graph. So, pilosopo, no? So, we have -2 and 0 and focus of -1, 0. To solve for A is equal to 1. So, from the given coordinates of the vertex, so possibly the vertex will be -2 and K is 0. Okay? Ito na yung ating coordinates. So, solving for the equation of the parabola. Since equation lang naman ang hinahanap natin, so itong equation niya, since the parabola opens right. So, we have negative tuloy. Square of y minus k is equal to 4a times x minus h. So, 0, since ang k natin is 0, ito na lang natira. So, we have 4 times 1 is 4. So, since -2 is the h, so, di ba kapag nagsusubtract tayo, so, magiging plus to and magiging positive to. Kaya, naging ganito. So, now, i-multiply natin to. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. This will be the standard form. And, ilipat nyo itong dalawa dito sa kabila. At ito na nabuo nyo. This will be the general form. Examples involving parabola another. Example 3. So we have given. So we have x squared plus 4y plus 8x is equal to -4. Find the vertex, focus, and the length of the latus rectum. So we have x squared plus 4y plus 8x is equal to -4. So where did we stop? So there's something wrong with my phone again. So this is our solution. So you are going to use the completing the square. So after you replace 4 to transpose 4 to the other side of the equation. So by completing the square, so you are going to divide 8 into 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and square it. So after you got that for the possible third term, and syempre maglalagay din kayo rito. So that you're going to factor this. So we have the square of x plus 4 is equal to. So we have 16 minus 4 or -4 plus 16 is equal to 12. So factor this. So we have -4 times x minus 3. So our h is -4. Ito yun eh. And k is 3. So opens downward based on this equation. To solve for a, so a is equal to 1. Automatic na yan. So we have the vertex -4 and 3. And the focus, so since a is 1, so we have -4, 2. Length of the latus rectum, we have this equation. So we have 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss ellipse. And in my page, I'm going to post, aside from that presentation, I'm going to post this Mativity 2. So Mativity 1, so syempre dun sa last video ko, dun sa page na pinost ko, comment your answer. So kahit picture ganun, and shoutout ko siya sa next video. Same as with this Mativity. So in this case that you're going to solve for the standard form, and it opens what? Opens left, opens right, opens upward, opens downward. So you're going to find the vertex, focus, axis of symmetry, equation of the directrix, and the equation of latus rectum. So this is the given. All the givens is in the general form. So you are going to use your analytical thinking. Oh, ayan. And also grab it. So you may comment your answers on my page or sa mga kung saan ko ipopost ito, no? So, see you in my next video. So, in my next video, I'm going to discuss ellipse.